Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Chat English Daily. Today, I have something exciting for you. Do you take the bus, train, or walk to work or school? Then guess what? You're sitting in one of the best English classrooms in the world, your daily commute. The secrets to mastering English aren't just in books. They're hidden in the everyday chatter around you.
Part 1. The Power of Everyday English.
Have you ever felt scared because English has too many words? You're not alone. But don't worry, many useful English phrases are repeated every day on the bus, in the street, and at the coffee shop. Let's listen to a short conversation from a real commute. Then we'll learn some useful phrases from it. Scene 1. Asking for directions on the bus.
Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Park?
Yes, it does. You should get off after 5 stops.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Scene 2. Ordering coffee at the station.
Hi, can I get a small coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Just milk, please.
Coming right up.
Part 2. Learning through repetition and immersion. You may hear these same phrases again and again. That's called repetition, and it helps you remember. When you hear the same words every day, your brain remembers them, even if you don't try hard. This is called immersion, learning by being around English all the time. So next time you're on a train or in a coffee shop, listen carefully. Try to understand the words.
Part 3. Practical tips for commute learning.
Here are 3 tips to help you learn English on your commute. Commute challenge. Choose one phrase to listen for. For example, excuse me, or can I get? Repeat in your head. When you hear something new, repeat it in your mind or say it softly. Practice later. After your commute, write down 1 or 2 phrases you remember. Try to use them in a sentence. See? You don't need a classroom to learn English. Every train, every street, every coffee shop is your school. Start listening during your daily commute, and soon you'll be speaking like a local. Did you like today's video? Please give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite phrase. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English lessons. Thanks for watching Chat English Daily. See you in the next video.